Have you ever wondered how AI can enhance your chat, streamline your tasks, and even make your conversation more engaging? Well, you're in the right place because in today's video, I'm going to take you through various step-by-steps on how you can enable Meta AI on your WhatsApp. Introduced a new feature called Meta AI, and this new feature, not all rejoin is making use of it, or not all rejoin is eligible for making use of this Meta AI. Because guys, if you have not been using this Meta AI, I bet you are missing out, because not only you type a message, you can also you can also use a voice note and ask any question, and the Meta AI is going to give you the answer. Like, you can ask Meta AI to design something for you, your brand name, your brand logo, and it's going to do just that by just giving it a prompt, and it's going to do that. So guys, you are welcome. So in this video, I want to tell you why you have not been able to use it, and if you have it in your phone, how you can actually enable it on your phone. First of all, you have to make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. So when I mean your WhatsApp is up to date, that you have to update your WhatsApp. So if you are using iPhone, Android, and you have not updated your WhatsApp, you just need to go to your Play Store or your iOS and search for WhatsApp. Or you can check the list of apps that you need to update, and if WhatsApp needs update, you are going to see there. Or you search for WhatsApp and you are going to see update. You update it. Sometimes, most of the reason why you don't find it on your phone is because your WhatsApp is outdated and you have not updated. So first of all, if you're having this problem I mentioned earlier on this video, you just need to like update your WhatsApp and try again. If you see, that number one method. So after updating your app, you need to also check if Meta AI is available in your country or your region, as I said earlier on this video. So you need to just go to your setting and you check if it is available in your region. You just need to go to your setting. When you go to your setting, you are going to see all the features there. If the Meta AI is available, you are going to click on it and you see where it's written enable. Or you go to your WhatsApp and you click on your search button as if you want to search for a particular person to chat with. And when you click on that search, you just type Meta AI. And when you type that, the AI is going to come up if it's available, and if you have done all these things I've said. So the AI is going to come up. So from there, you click on it and you ask the AI any question that you want to ask the AI, and the AI is going to give you just that. The last method for solving this problem is for you to reach out to WhatsApp support, and you just give them a prompt and they are going to look into that and rectify that as soon as possible. So click on the subscribe button up there and subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. If you have not done that, comment and let me know if you find this tutorial helpful, and let me know if you tried all these methods I mentioned and if it has worked for you.